through our conscience, the Lord speaks. So dito sa Catholic teachings, nangungusap pala ang Diyos sa pamamagitan ng konsyensya. Napakahalaga pala ng konsyensya. No? At ang sabi riyan, no? A law which He has not laid upon Himself, but which He must obey. Its voice ever calling Him to love, to do what is good, and avoid evil. Let it be done in accordance with your will. Then imposible palang may taong walang konsensya. Sabi dito, for the man in his heart, a law inscribed by God, his conscience is man's most secret core and his sanctuary.